Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Linear to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and then it opens up in the home where we have our channels, our direct messages and teammates. From here we have to go into a channel that we want to add an app to, and then we can just tap on connect apps. The app is going to redirect us. And then if you scroll down at the featured apps list, we find Linear. We tap on Linear. It's going to load again. And now, after it loads, we can just tap on Add to Slack, like this. And then the application is going to be added to our Slack channel. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.